I have a bunch of asparagus here that I'm going to air fry, so I'm just going to rinse. And wash the asparagus. I have cauliflower as well that I've already washed, and I'm letting it dry, so I'm going to rinse it again just to show you, and then I'll let them all just air dry in my colander before I roast, add the oil and the salt and pepper. I've allowed the vegetables to dry, so now you can season however you want before you put them in the air fryer. Now, when I get them home from the grocery store, I usually clean them, and I will put the ingredients to the spray that I use to spray on and clean them before I put them in the refrigerator. So I've separated the asparagus spears, and I'm only going to cook half. I melted butter and added some garlic powder in with the melted butter. So I'm just going to rub that all over, and I'll do both sides. Salt, pepper, and I have some Italian seasoning that I'm going to sprinkle on. And then it's real easy. You can use a grilling rack, or you can just put it in the bottom of your pan. I have a nonstick pan. I'm just going to stick it straight into the bottom of the pan. Spread it out so they're not bunched up. So I'm going to add it to air fry. Preheating helps to cut the time down. You don't have to. I'm going to do 8 minutes since I didn't preheat it. Usually if I preheat, I'll do 7 minutes. So if you want it crunchier, you can do 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It's up to you. Okay, there's your finished asparagus spears. And if you want it a little bit crunchier, like I said, just cut down the time. Looks delicious.